I have created two new notebooks, recipes and my car. I added a couple of notes about my car and some recipes to my recipes notebook. I wanted to show you these examples to give you some ideas of what you can do in Evernote for personal documentation. In my car notebook, I have added a note to keep up with when I've had my oil changed in my car. I also added a note with a picture of my license plate and a picture of my registration form. I also created a note about insurance information with contact information for my insurance agent and a copy of the certificate of my most recent coverage. In my recipes notebook, I did a few different things. This is a note that I created using a picture of an old recipe that I had. This note is a dinner recipe that I found online, and I saved the URL or the link for that recipe. This is a dessert recipe. I also found it online, and I saved the web page to this notebook, created a note. And then I have a last note of a juicing recipe, and I did find it at rebootwithjoe.com, so I was able to put that in the details under the URL, and then was able to just click in the body and type that note up. These are just a few examples of personal document notebooks just to give you some ideas. Other things that might be useful to store in Evernote are receipts, especially for important purchases, or gift ideas, or travel information. The possibilities are just endless. What you need to do now is click Next so that you can find out how and why I tagged the notes that I made.